Dancing through the snow in one hot summer day. Hello Facebook ads people, I'm Konstantinos, and today we are going to have a very short video about your management on your ads after Black Friday and of course as we move closer to the Christmas period. Like if you like the content and subscribe, it really helps me a lot. Black Friday is over. Thank God it was exhausting, I must say, but it was a very good period with very good results, at least for my accounts. I'm very happy, my clients are very happy, everybody was super happy. I'm going to release one video, maybe a little bit later, about the statistics of 2021 and 2020. So subscribe and you're going to see it before the end of this year. So next steps. We have all of our ads, we scaled, okay? If you have seen my previous video, you know that I have some campaigns in all of my accounts that they started before Black Friday in the middle of November so that they can be boosted with the results of Black Friday, and they were having a general copy that I was going to be able to use up to the Christmas period. Very, very important. If you scale these ads during the Black Friday period, you need to see now and watch the last 7 days and understand what are your new balances, okay? How much is the budget for each one of your campaigns? You need to start scaling down after Black Friday. Of course, you're not going to leave the same budgets and the same spending. That means that based on what is going to be left and what is going to survive, through the second week after the Black Friday period, we have the last 7 days results and we are actually watching what is going to stay so we can decide how much more we can actually spend for the Christmas period. So now, by the time this video is going to be released, you have all of your ads optimized, you have your new balances, you know how much you are spending, and you know also in the last 7 days if you're profitable or not. After that, you need to start doing and planning your offers and the ads that you're going to do for the Christmas period. Be careful. You need to do ads that they're going to last up to a point that you're going to be able to fulfill all of your orders. Be careful that there are a lot of people that they're going to be angry if they don't receive their presents or whatever this is going to be before Christmas. And you need to be very clear about it, okay? You need to be clear on your ads, you need to be clear on your landing pages that up to this date we are going to ship and you're going to have your product on 25, and after that date we're not going to be able to deliver your order in time. Of course, the budget for the Christmas period is not going to be the same like what you had in the Black Friday period. We all know that it's a completely different period. But if you have done what I told you and you have some campaigns already running and being optimized from the amount of data that you received on the Black Friday, and you're going to have some extra campaigns for the Christmas period, boom. That's it. You have the success that you need and you're going to close the year with a very good result. Last note. We need to talk about what Facebook actually mentions as Q5, okay? Talks about Q5, and they say that after the 25 of the month, which is the Christmas, nobody is actually spending on the Facebook platform, so the CPMs are dropping and you will be doing ads and you will have less competition. In my opinion, whatever it works, okay? If you have, of course, the ads that you're going to do for the Christmas period, they're going to be closed and you're going to be left with the others. Let's hope that they're going to survive. But even if they don't launch any new ads. Don't fall for this trick of Facebook that they just have less spending this period and they want you to spend more. We know that a lot of people, they're not advertising this period. That's true, from 25 to 31. But it's for a reason, because not a lot of times people are buying during this period. They have already spent on Black Friday and then on the Christmas. That's it. Then you go from January. This doesn't mean that you will have to close your ads. You will have to manage your ads. You will have to manage your ads and the spends in order for you to survive this 6-day period. Even if you're losing a little bit on the ROAS and they're not the standard ROAS that you want, you need to survive because you need to enter strong on the January. For me, closing ads just like that and then reopening them, of course, if you have a very strong business, you can do it. But for other businesses that they are scaled and stuff and we need to maintain a specific level of spending, it's not okay. So keep your ads, try to maintain them, try to slow down in terms of spending. We have talked in this channel about optimization. You can see the video about CBO vs ABO and a little bit about optimization. And based on that, you can lower the budgets, you can survive this just 6-day period, which is a little bit bad period, and then enter very strong on the January. I hope to see you in a future video.